she?
I'm She Livermore, and I live in Chatham. And definitely, people have been more enthusiastic this year. I've seen more people coming in for signs, and we keep running out, as a matter of fact, because of that. Yeah, there definitely is more interest in the national race, and in particular, interestingly enough, the Kerry race. Jeff Beattie is our candidate, and he's one of the best we've ever had, and I think he's going to give Mr. Kerry a run for his money. And local races, they're interested in wearing a button for John Howell. And of course you've got two Republicans running for the county commissioner's race, and you've got two Democrats, two males and two females, which is kind of interesting to see how that's going to work out. But we have been, this is the fourth or fifth time I volunteered here, and busy all the time with people asking for the Sarah Palin, John McCain signs.
Okay.
Yes, people have indeed been coming in, and someone came drove all the way down from Mashpee and works here with me yesterday afternoon, which I thought was wonderful. Yes, people have volunteered their time too. So, and I personally think this is a very, very crucial race as far as this country goes. Really crucial. People make the wrong decision, and the United States is going to become socialistic, which is a country I left many, many years ago. So I've even got to praying, and I don't usually pray for politics. I think John maybe ought to pull it out at the last minute, but where the press, national press in particular, has done nothing but support him from the word go, I think it makes it a little difficult, because I've always said I'm surrounded by non-thinking people, to be honest with you, and they just go by what the paper says. So am I optimistic? Yes, I'm going to say I'm optimistic, because that's the way it's got to be. Otherwise, I may indeed think of moving out of this country. I would not want to live under a socialistic country.